Creating 3D text in Microsoft Word is a great way to make titles or heading pop. You can achieve this using either WordArt or the text effects menu, which gives you control over depth, rotation, and lighting. So here how you can create 3D text in MS Words. Let's begin. So now go to the insert and on the right side click on this word art and select the style which you like most. I'll be using this one. Now type your desired text, for example 3D text. As you select the 3D text, you will see there is a shape format appear on the tab. So click on the text effect and click on the 3D rotation and choose a pattern to tilt your text. For example, select this isometric right up, and these are the different top up. This is the right off axis one. I like this one. Click OK to apply. Moreover, if you want to control the thickness, depth and color of the 3D effects, now type your text and select it. And then head to the shape format and click on the text effects and click on the 3D rotation and click on this 3D rotation options. So a sidebar will open on the right side. So you need to play different options. For example, if you want to select the shadow, give it the color to the yellow. Here you can see that you can increase or decrease the transparency, increase the size as you like it, and you can make it blur as per your choice. Select the distance, and here is the reflection. You can select the different reflection. You can increase or decrease the transparency, size, like this one. If you want to give some glow, choose this option. Here's the 3D format. You can choose the top level, select different options, bottom level. Here you can see that. You can also increase the width or height as well. You can also choose the color of the depth, for example red, and the contour color you may make it to green. You can increase the size. It's up to you how you do it. So you can also select some materials like this one, and you can also give some lightning and also give you some 3D rotation. So you can change the X rotation like this one, and Y rotation. This is the Z rotation, and perspective you can change. Keep text flattable if you want to flat like this one, and if you are unhappy with the setting, you can click reset to make it reset. So this way you can easily make 3D text in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.